Hey, welcome to another Topic Tuesday. I got my list of questions here, and I love this one. Is what's the popping sound I hear? Well, to be quite honest, nobody knows. There's lots of theories as to what it is. It could be a pulled tendon, or there's some scar tissue building up, and it just catches and makes sound. But the good news is this: is I think you should just go. I still have my hearing. See, it could be a hearing test. So I could also scare you with it and go, it's the creeping claw of death coming for you. The whole human drama of it is this. I usually see, for me, is lack of water, also some muscle imbalance. And the good news is this, is that it's not detrimental. You can have it go on for years like mine have, and you're going to be fine. But if you feel like you got to get it checked, get it checked. But in most cases, it's just like change something up, start to make the body more fluid, and I think you'll find the answers there. See you next Tuesday.